Let me show you how to change blades on any type of utility knife or also a box cutter. So you see I have pretty much every type over here. So first maybe let's start with these ones. These probably are the most popular ones. So first to actually remove the old blade, so we simply have to actually remove this plastic back part. So you see basically on this knife I actually have to press over here in this area and simply like pull. It takes a bit of force essentially. So you see this is what it looks like. On this I basically have to simply pull pretty much anywhere to remove it essentially. So and then to change the blade, for example, we can simply take this basically finger thing and simply slide it all the way out like this. Okay, and you see I have my blade over here. So if you want to install the blade, also obviously while handling these, make careful, because obviously these are much sharper than like a regular knife, so probably like 10 times sharper. So we are simply going to take a new blade. Again, especially the new ones, make sharp. So again, we would simply take our blade, see where you have the hole for the blade, and also see you have this knob here. So we are simply going to put our blade, basically on that knob, hold like this, and then simply let's slide inside this slot. So you see, let's slide inside, and okay, like this. So you see also this part actually goes in the same slot inside. So you see both of these goes inside there in that slot, and it simply like clicks inside. Okay. So the first time insert maybe it will be, but after should be okay. And then we can simply replace this part and job done really. So again, same on this. So you see, same mechanism here. You see, it simply like gets put on that knob and simply slides inside and simply replace it. Okay. Then for this guy, so pretty much same unit, just in smaller format again. We simply pull it out. So you see, again we have the slot internally. We can slide this out. Okay, so this is actually tiny bit different. So you see, to insert the blade. Okay. Going to take it. Again, you see you have the tiny knob there, but also another plastic part. So we have to place it on that knob, but also slightly below that tiny red thing. So you see what I'm doing here. And again, let's simply slide this inside. And replace it. So also this this maybe a carpet cutter. So to be able to take this apart, see you have one central screw over here. So let's get rid of this, and for that you will need like a regular screwdriver, and we simply have to unscrew this screw here. And you see it simply takes apart like this. You see you have the spring here. So to remove the blade, literally. Okay, so you see. Let's put it together. Yep. And these blades, again, once you actually use up one side, you can simply flip it over and you have a fresh side here. So again, we are simply going to insert. Also, you see you have these two grooves here. So we have to put that groove basically on that tiny metal knob here. Okay. And let's put it together. So before you put it together, screw down, slide out and see if it works okay. And simply let's replace this. Screw it down tightly. Okay, and job done. And also for a box cutter. So when you take apart this, you actually have to be kind of careful because there is spring inside. We do not want to actually damage it. So as you see, I'm simply going to, so you see this particular one has a bit of button that I can press, but maybe on some you do not. So you see I'm simply pressing a button and simply taking it slightly apart. Then I'm simply going to basically try to slide out the whole unit. Do not actually pull basically by this part, otherwise you might break the spring. So you see I'm simply sliding out carefully the whole unit from this thing. Okay, yeah, as you see actually the spring came out, but that's not problem. Okay, so you see what it looks like inside. So the spring goes over here and over here. Okay, and to remove the blade, so again we simply have to lift it up. Okay, and also this over here, for example, is a magnetic one, so it kind of stays in place very nicely. And again, for this blade again, we can also flip it over. And as you see, you have those two grooves where the blade simply sits inside. To replace it, so you see, yeah, this fell out. We're simply going to put the spring back on this one. And okay. Okay, so you see I have the spring back now. So I'm going to, so the other way. So I'm simply going to slide up like this, with it upside down. So again, it simply slides inside there. Okay. And simply push back. Let's test. Yep. Spring is working and everything is okay. Okay, good luck.